For our Color Tunable Starter Connectors, you'll want to line the red wire up with the side of the tape that's marked 12 or 24 volt. Once you have that, flip the tape over, pull the backer off. Once the backer is pulled off, you can flip that back over, insert the tape into the connector, and you want that to go in as far as possible to where the LED is touching this side here. Flip the tape over, and then take your pliers and crimp both sides down. One side, and the other side. To where the flush side, the white is flush with the clear.